HWFCI presents Snap-on Bullet Terminals for Electrical Attachment. Bullet terminals are the easiest way to attach all of your hot wire foam cutting devices to one power supply. These terminals are an inexpensive means to have one main set of electrical leads for your power supply, but be able to interchange cutting devices on the fly. Start by separating the positive and negative leads on the electrical connection wire. Then strip each lead. Take either the male or female bullet terminal and advance one of the leads after ensuring all of the wires are properly wound. Take heavy pliers or clamps and compress the bullet terminal near the connection wire. This will ensure the wire sits firmly within the bullet terminal and will not dislodge. Then simply repeat this step for the other electrical lead and bullet terminal. And there you have it, snap-on bullet terminals for electrical attachment between your power supply and nichrome wire hot wire foam cutting device. You may opt to place only female terminals on the lead wire from your power supply and then male terminals on all of your cutting devices, or simply any other combination that you choose. And thank you for watching. Check out all related information on hotwirefoamcutterinfo.com.